morning, guys. Welcome back to another vlog. My name is Jordan if you are new here. Today is a Friday and I thought it would be fun to bring you along for the next few days and show you what I'm up to. So today we are in Barbados. This is my first time here and we do not have shows today, so I have the day off to get off and go to the beach. So that's what our soft plan is. We don't have really anything else planned. We just want to go to the beach and relax. I'm about to meet some of my cast to get off, and I don't know if we're gonna walk there or taxi. It's about a 30-minute walk, but I have a little sundress on and my bathing suit underneath. Got my tote bag packed and we're ready to go. There's so many.
If you lay down there for like 20 minutes without any movement, they would start like devouring on you.
Yeah.
Tearing you to pieces.
Yeah, they would destroy you. Boatyard, but it was $30 entry, so it included a chair, the showers, bathroom, Wi-Fi, but you had to pay extra for food or drink. So we walked down the beach a little bit more and now we're at Harbor Lights and we're in line to order some food and some beer. So I'm gonna have the Beyond Burger they have. I'm very excited. It's been a while since I've had Beyond Meat. We're trying the Caribs because we're in the Carib.
Here we are.
Yummy.
This is part of it.
They had Beyond Meat.
I don't fucking know.
Is it good?
So good, but it's meat. It's not Beyond the burger.
It's beach time, and the clouds have rolled in just as we lay down.
That's okay. It's not raining.
It's fine. The UV index is at a 9, so
we're safe.
So
you
we're
don't have
fine.
to even apply cream.
No, you'd still do.
I did it.
No, but you know what? It's comfortable in this weather.
Bah.
Cheers! Pina colada time.
Stupid because it doesn't work.
Two people who hate being on camera, one person who's making them be on camera.
I don't hate being on camera.
The water is so blue. It is currently 3:15. I had such a good day with Graham and Camille. Honestly, it was so much fun, and Leo stopped by for a little bit for lunch, but we didn't really have a plan of what we were going to do today. It was really just head to the beach and chill, but it was just a really fun day. Graham taught us this cup game that he must have played on a previous contract, and it was actually so entertaining. So that was super fun. We saw some fish when we were swimming in the water. The water was so clear. It was insane. And yeah, I had a nice Beyond Meat burger for lunch. So all in all, very happy with the day, but I still have half the day left. I'm going to take today as my rest day because I am very exhausted from shows. I actually had to go in for my understudy this week, so that did drain my energy quite a bit, and I feel like I don't give myself enough rest days, especially that I have been on board for 8 months now. I pretty much exercise every day or skate every day, so my body's definitely feeling it, definitely getting tired and run down and injured, so I just need to lay low. But I can still be productive with my time, so instead of going to the gym, I think I'm going to maybe head back deck and do some editing and admin work on my laptop because I have service for like another hour or maybe 2 hours, and I just really need to zone in on that. Okay, it's happening. It's happening! Good morning, rise and shine. Happy Saturday. Today we are in St. Kitts. So new day, new port. I'm very excited to get off here in St. Kitts. And I think our plan is we're going to head to this resort called Palms Court. So I'm going to head to breakfast now, and then after that I have a Pilates / yoga class with the ice cast, and I'm very excited. Susie, your yoga mat is working out really well. Is it new? Is that why?
It's Toby's. He bought it 6 weeks ago.
Oh.
And hasn't used it, I
We are off the ship. I had a really good little Pilates session, and now we have just arrived at the Palms Court, which is a beautiful resort. Hopefully we can get a seat by the pool, grab something to eat, and swim a bit. You feel like you're in Italy? Pretty! Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Nice and empty, and we have a view of the ship right there. Thank you. How are you doing, C? We snagged the seats at the front, right in front of the pool, with a nice view of the water and the resort behind us. It's nice and quiet though, like people are starting to roll in, but it's not super busy. So, very chill vibe. And we got these little wristbands when we entered, and basically we don't have to pay to be here. Usually it's like $20 entry fee, I want to say. But because we're crew members, we didn't have to pay, which was super nice. We just pay for food and drink, so we just got a Corona because say yes to life, and it's the weekend. I know I did have beer yesterday, but treat yourself sometimes, you know? Life is about balance.
be on TV.
Hi, Camille.
Graham definitely doesn't.
Hi, Leo. Matthew! Look at him! It's giving... He's hot and he knows it. Casual. 2 sculptures right there. When you invite dancers to the pool. We have about a 15-minute walk back, probably, and we've got the gang here. And it's still sunny and beautiful and hot. Port Zante, we're back. You are looking golden brown, Matthew.
Really?
Yes.
Got the Caribbean glow going?
Yes, absolutely. It is nearing 9:30. I have parade this evening, second parade of the cruise. So I'm just kind of waiting around for that. I did put on like a very basic face of makeup just to have a little something something, and then I'll throw on some lipstick for parade. But I had a beautiful day out in Port St. Kitts. Was gorgeous. That resort was absolutely insane, and it was just so nice to be with everyone together, especially because we only have 3 weeks left of the contract starting tomorrow. So 3 weeks from tomorrow I sign off, which is crazy. But yeah, it was a beautiful day outside. I couldn't have asked for a better day, and I think I got a little more color, which is always a bonus. So now I wait for parade and I'm just watching This Is Us. And I did receive my schedule for tomorrow. I do not have Muster 2.0, which means I'm going to have the full morning and afternoon to myself to get to go out in San Juan, and I'm planning and hoping to go to Old Town because it's just adorable and I love it so much. So that's my rough plan for Sunday. We're ready for parade. Parade!
We're gonna dress up.
Let's go! Calvin, how do you make your toast in the morning?
I like to get a very small jam pot and put it in my mouth. Oh.
Somebody tells me I'm not taking the mouth.
Good morning. It is Sunday. Sunday fun day. Savannah and I are in an Uber and we're headed to Old Town. And we're gonna have a day. We're gonna get an acai bowl.
You better believe we are.
Mm-hmm.
So
I spilled my entire coffee all over the cabin this morning. Like literally all over the table and floor and bed. And my boyfriend.
He comes with the room.
So that was how we started the morning, but it's okay. We're gonna have a great day. San Juan. We have made it to Old Town. We actually wanted to stop first at the Umbrella Street, but it's blocked off. So no cute little photo op there, but that's okay because we got to see it. And now we're gonna just explore. Oh my god. Oh my god. As it literally just says, do not feed the pigeons. What does she do? Honestly, such a perfect day for exploring. Look at this beauty. Oh my goodness, just stunning. So cute.
Look, the kava.
The kafa! This is so adorable.
Not home goods, like home-baked food.
Yes. Stop! They are ready for Christmas. That's a big tree, actually. This store is so cute and Everything is so cheap, like very affordably priced. We're just wondering when the plot twist is going to come. What is the twist? Update, I purchased something. I got a gift for Callum's birthday, so I didn't buy anything for myself because as much as I wanted to, I just do not have space in my luggage. So it's good to want things. Maybe I can order online. Wow. We've just come across this amazing view. Do you think someone lives there or do you think it's a restaurant? It's gorgeous. So many places are already decorated for Christmas, and the sales rep in the store was saying they always start celebrating super early. Hi, kitty. So we were walking towards the acai bowl place. It ended up not being where it said it was on the map, so we kind of got rerouted a little bit, but that's totally fine because we were just in awe of all the beauty. And we stumbled upon this beautiful street, which we would have never seen had we gone this way. So everything happens for a reason. Not to worry, we found a loka. We've just ordered and gotten our bowls, and I'm so excited. You probably can't even hear me, the music is so loud, but look at the size of my bowl.
No, you don't want to so good.
Let's dig in. Oh my god, the size of this.
Literally.
Oh my god. We're gonna go to the mall now. That was the best acai bowl of my life.
I went back for seconds again.
Again. My arm isn't just raised for fun. I'm blocking the
Oh,
sun.
I thought you were showing your shopping, like.
No, it's showing my armpit. We're here.
Look at the Christmas.
Do you want to meet Santa? You want to meet Santa, Savannah? Santa? We're back at Starbucks. Every time. We have to do it. Woo. Gracias. Cheers. This took me like 10 minutes to order, and it cost me $7, but we're not talking about it.
We don't talk about it.
We're not talking about
We're
it.
in a spending mood today.
We really are. We're just like, spend, spend, spend.
Taste
Cha-ching.
test, taste test.
Oh, we did have a taste test of a nut. It
And
was
some ice
delicious. And some ice cream, vegan ice cream. Merry Chrysler.
Hey, vlog. Wait, can we put the...
I need to put my lipstick on. That's what I forgot. 15 minutes till parade starts. Hey,
15
vlog.
till parade.
15 till go. Didn't put it in.
Jordan is a singer actually, and every song that you can think of Britney, think of Whitney, think of MJ,
Shakira.
think of Shakira, think of Dua Lipa, think of anyone in
Justin
your
Bieber.
repertoire. She can sing. Anyone. Everything is in her range.
Right.
You think Elton John can sing? Have you heard this girl? Everything is in her range.
Everything's in my range.
We like to say sometimes that she created range.
I am range.
Some people call it range, I call it Jordan. So I don't know.
We have finished parade. I'm now in the gym. I think I want to try and do like a 20 or 30 minute Pilates video on YouTube since we still have service. Yeah, I really want to do weights, but I want to try something different. So maybe I'll do a Pilates video and some weights. This is my little OOTD Old Navy tank. I love this from Tessa. And my Lulu little hiking shorts. I think they're so cute. I'm obsessed with them. And I got them on clearance. So let's find a video and get into it. And I just made reservations for a Zoomy tonight. So I have 8:15 reservations and I'm very excited. invited to dinner, a Zoomy night. And your mommy. So we did get 2 futomakis, but we made a little bit of substitution. So this one has salmon, and then this one is made with shrimp, but looks delightful. We got a mountain of sushi. Okay, update. I don't know why, but I am full, and I didn't even eat 1 full roll. I probably had like 6 pieces of the futomaki, but we did get vegetable fried rice for the app, so maybe that's why. But this is very out of character for me. I'm honestly still full from the acai. Maybe that was it. The Zumi was exceptional as always. Very, very good. And we just watched Shutter Island after. Such a good freaking movie. I was not expecting the ending at all. I don't even know what year that movie's from. It's got to be like the 80s or maybe the 90s, but really, really good if you have not seen it. It's like a psychological thriller. But yeah, really enjoyed that. And now it is time for bed. But it has been such an eventful weekend. I hope you guys enjoyed coming along and seeing what I was up to. 3 weeks from today, of the day of filming this at least, I will be signing off. And I feel like day is gonna come so soon. So I'm just trying to soak in every last bit of this contract, and I can't wait to bring you guys home with me, the end of the contract, and much more to come after that. So thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video because I'm exhausted. It's time for me to sleep. So thanks again, and I will see you when I see you.